What's going on, folks? Here's another one that's pretty interesting. I want to thank Ray for sending this over. Um, we know about the high torque impact wrench, right? $299 on sale right now for $249. Okay, as you can see, you could save 40% on this. So you're going to get the high torque 1400 inch pound, 1400 foot pound, excuse me, impact wrench for 180 bucks. All right, not bad. All right, lowest I've seen this for 229. Um, I want to say possibly 249 with a 5 amp hour battery was probably the best deal. Um, but again, 180. I want to show you another deal here. But you have to calm it down, guys. All right, you're going to have to calm it down. All right. Now, 159 for the mid torque. It's going to be better than that though, okay? Cuz you got to calm it down. And let's go over this slowly. All right, we got the pack out radio in here. Now, let me remove the mid torque. If you want the pack out radio, I don't know why, and some people are getting this up to 329. I got a lot of comments that they raised the price of the pack out radio to 329, and then you use the $30 discount, right? Anything over 299 brings it back down to 299. I did a video on this, and I showed you 269 with the $30 off, but here 217. All right, so again, just about actually cheaper than the DeWalt 2.0 Tough System radio. That's going for 229 right now. During the holidays, we saw it for 199, but presently it's 229. So this is actually $12, $13 cheaper, all right, for the pack out radio. 217 and 180 for the high torque. Now, we got the mid torque here. Okay. Still cheaper the other way, right? That's because we're only at $4.98. So $2 is costing you $70. All right? So that's why they price this just like this. So, let's take a look. Remember, it's $80 and plus the 50 from the high torque. That's why you're saving 130. All right? So what we're going to do is we're going to add the detent pin and we're going to view the cart, okay? High torque 194, mid torque 186, but look at this, 155. Now what we're going to do, so 155 you can get this for, we can get it even cheaper than that. I'm going to show you. All right, see, this is weird here because I'm spending 538. I'm supposed to be getting 150 off. Hmm. That's very weird. Because 239. – I mean, it's shady. Just real shady. Yeah, it's me. Real shady. Because they're not letting me use that. Well, like I said, the mid tour can get down to 150, but and we got this to down to 180 for the high torque. It's just shadiness. Because the D10 pin should get us over. It's 239. Oh, wait. No, I don't know, guys. It's shady. Spend $4.99, get 150 off. It's not giving me 150 off. And it says these are both qualifying items. I'm sorry, guys. It's supposed to make sense, but it just don't. It just don't make sense. That's why with the pack out radio, it does. It does make sense. I'm very discouraged. They got some real fruity deals. All right, you can get the brad nailer for $200. Now, and it's actually cheaper. All right, so here we go, guys. We got it towards the end. We got it. All right, so we're only saving $2 more, $180. All right, but for $378, I don't even know if I'd return anything here. Again, you get the nailer for $199, the brad nailer. All right, brand new, and the high torque for $178. So $378. Not a bad deal. All right, not a bad deal here. I just figured I would add the nailer because of the price, and it worked. So $200 bare tool, great brad nailer, much more improved over the Gen 1. This is the Gen 2 version, $199. And again, the high torque. All right. So just think about it. The rigid right now is 149 for the mid torque. Does around 600, maybe 625 or whatever, the octane. You get a battery, but for another $20, you're getting 1,400 foot-pounds. All right? Great deal here, folks.